Top of the hour, let's get you the breaking update where the Rajya Sabha chairman and the vice president is likely to decide upon the action that should be taken against the unruly member of parliament soon, especially from the opposition parties, looking at the chaos and the ruckus that was created on the floor of the House on the 11th of August, where how the opposition MPs had manhandled the security marshals inside the parliament. Let me straight away go across to Piyush now, because Piyush, many of those opposition leaders had cried foul and had said that it was not them who was creating the pandemonium, but we know on the kind of the videotapes that have been now released, it is now up to the Rajya Sabha chairman or Venkaiah Naidu, the vice president, who will be now soon initiating action.
Well, yes, what we are now learning is that action is likely to be taken on this unruly behavior of these opposition MPs in Rajya Sabha. We also saw how the meeting took place of the union ministers yesterday with Venkaiah Naidu, and after that we also saw Lok Sabha Speaker meeting with Venkaiah Naidu. Now, if we go about the sources, if you go by our sources, what we're learning is that Rajya Sabha Chairman Venkaiah Naidu is likely to decide on the actions. Those are also to be taken on alleged unruly behavior of these opposition MPs. Also, yesterday the government had also come out and did a press conference with the 8 ministers alleged as to how there was a threat which was given by the opposition parties, in which they told the government specifically that they would not let the parliament to function at all. And after that, we also saw as to how the unruly behavior was done by not only Congress MPs but also by Trinamool Congress MPs. Now, a high-level meet of the leaders, government leaders, union ministers took place between Venkaiah Naidu and these ministers yesterday. And after that, now what we are learning from our sources is that most likely the actions will be taken on the unruly behavior of these MPs, and this action will be more against these MPs. And yesterday, the government had also informed us that very soon a committee could also be formed which will look into the entire case.
Also, Piyush, if you can tell us, because it came across as a big development as far as the central government is concerned, it had also formed a committee to probe the mishandling of the marshal inside the parliament, and the letter that has also been accessed by Republic so far as to what had really happened on the floor of the House when unruly MPs had charged towards the both male and the female marshals there inside parliament. So the committee report also expected soon?
Well, yes, the committee report is also expected soon, because the sources in the top sources of the government are also telling us that very soon the committee will also be formed, and that committee will be submitting its report to the government. And now sources are telling us that after the kind of meetings those have taken place, very soon actions could be taken against the unruly MPs, be it from Trinamool Congress or from the Congress party. That's the word which we are right now getting. We have to wait and watch if strong actions are taken against them, though the government has been demanding that strictest actions must be taken against them. Yesterday, press conference was also done by the 8 top ministers of the government, where they had demanded strictest actions against the likes of Pratap Singh Bajwa and the MPs who were also involved in the unruly behavior. We also saw as to how the CCTV footage had come out in which the women MPs were seen pushing the marshal, and now on the kind of behavior which they did inside the floor of House, what we are learning is that strong
well, in fact,
action
Piyush,
is
it was today was the day, the 13th of August, should have been actually the last day of the parliament proceedings there, but unfortunately this time around the entire monsoon session was a complete washout. Because this time around, we're looking at how shameful was the drama that really panned out, Piyush, in the Rajya Sabha. And we also know that how the chairman of the House had also got emotional, and he had expressed his anguish over the behavior of several opposition members, and he had condemned the stalling of parliament proceedings.